How to blur face in CapCut. It is very easy. You just need to follow some steps. First of all, make sure the video is placed in your timeline, and then you need to make a copy of it. And right click on it and copy. Or you may use the shortcut key Ctrl+C and then paste it at the surface of the video and adjust it at the same place. And next thing we will need to do is going to selecting the top video and go to effects. After going to effects, search for blur and tap for blur. After that, apply that blur onto the first video. Now we're gonna select the top video and go to mask tab at the top right. Here you can see the mask option. Just tap on it and then tap on any of the shapes you want. I'm gonna choose circle to hide the face and place it on the body of the woman, on her face, and then adjust it. That's it. Just make it the size of someone who you wanna blur the face of. And then you can also adjust the faders option and make the blur more blurry or less blurry and hide the face of that specific person you want to blur the face of. And in this way you can blur the face of anyone on CapCut PC within some steps. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful.